Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll make a very tasty sweet and sour mango candy. Take 2 raw mangoes, wash and dry it thoroughly, then peel the mangoes. Now cut them into long slices, slightly thick. Heat some water, add the mangoes and boil for just 2 minutes till they become a bit soft. Then drain it out from the water. Now to these drained mango pieces, add half a cup of jaggery powder and mix it well. Keep it aside for 2 days. After 2 days, let's just drain out the syrup from the soaked mango pieces. Arrange the pieces like this separately onto a plate, and then we'll keep it out in the sun to dry for a day. So it has dried for 24 hours, full day, and again evening I kept it back inside the house. See how well it has dried. Now don't make it too dry. At this stage remove it. See that it should be like this, that you are able to bend it like this. Otherwise it should not become too hard. Now I have taken some of this Mishri or candy sugar and made it into a powder in my blender jar. We will take these mango pieces, mango candy pieces in a bowl like this. Just add a tablespoon of this sugar powder or Mishri powder and mix it very well. This way the candy will remain dry, then you can store it in an airtight box and have it whenever you want. Lovely mango candy. It tastes just like the aam papad. If you all remember the aam papad which we get in slabs, very similar taste you have in this candy too. Store it in a dry bottle, and whenever you want you can just take a piece and eat it at any time. Especially for people who have travel sickness also, just keep it with you and pop it into your mouth and you will feel good with its sweet and sour taste. Lovely mango candy, enjoyed by all, young and old alike. You can just store it outside at room temperature. It will stay good for many months. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.